Let me show you how to use micro SD memory cards with your new iPhone 17. For example, if you want to transfer some pictures and videos to your card, if you don't have enough storage on your phone, we can actually easily do it. By the way, if you are wondering if this phone has got micro SD memory card slot where you can insert directly memory cards, then unfortunately no. We are simply going to use adapter basically to do it and connect it through the Type-C essentially. And there are like multiple different adapters that we can use. For example, something like this where you can insert the card, or something like tiny like this which connects directly to the Type-C. So for example, I would simply take my memory card, insert in this tiny adapter. By the way, if you need these adapters, I will leave a link in the description where you can get one. I literally paid like $1 for this adapter on AliExpress. So you see, if I connect the basically card to my phone, this starts to blink. And next I'm going to go in my Files app, so in the library, search for the files. And basically you will have your drive over here. So mine is no name. Okay, so you see basically I can open up my memory card. For example, if you want then to transfer the pictures and videos to this card, you would simply click on any blank space, create a new folder, for example, for pictures. Okay, and then we are going to go in our photos gallery where we have the photos and the videos. So then we would click select here and simply select the videos you want, for example, transfer or pictures or whatever really. And then click this thing over here on the bottom and click saved files, or also you might see the saved files option over here. So depending, and basically let's go back, find basically our memory card, open up the pictures folder that we just created and click save. And you see it's slowly transferring the pictures, videos to your memory card. Then simply wait. Okay. And essentially once it will finish the transfer, it will close automatically and we have basically all the files now on our memory card. If we go in the Files app, so you see we have all these pictures that we just transferred over here, and then we can remove this, and basically we have all the pictures on our memory card. Good luck.